Funky Cold Medina DIY back again with another video. This time it's the first giveaway that I'm ever doing. Won't be the last, there'll be plenty more to go. I'm going to do everything live, there's not going to be any cuts, that way there isn't any discrepancies. I have a timer right over here, and I'll explain everything that I have on the screen. But just first of all, I want to start off just by thanking every person that has subscribed and or visited my channel. It really means a lot to me. Real quick, because I could go on, and I won't take too much of your time. I want to let everyone here understand what kind of person I am and what you are getting from my channel. Everything I have learned has been from experience, and I simply wish to share with you my knowledge gained from great people I've met and from making tons of mistakes. Now, I can't offer you expert advice. I'm not an expert, I'm not a professional, I don't have any formal education to be a chef or a contractor or a mechanic. But what I can and will offer you is me giving you 100% effort in everything I do. I do not like to do anything halfway. I strongly believe that the way you do anything is the way you do everything. So whenever I put out a video, I want people to know and count that Funky Cold Medina DIY is giving me his best effort and will never intentionally lead me down the wrong path. I put love and passion in everything I do. I guess you could say I'm a bit of a perfectionist. And if there's anything that I can do that can be done better, please let me know in the comments. That way we can all learn something together. Alright, I think y'all waited long enough. This won't take long at all. Let me explain everything. I'm going to use commentpicker.com, and this is going to collect all the comments in that video, and then I'm going to start the raffle and pick a random winner. So first thing, I'm going to go to the giveaway video right here, just to get the link. I'm going to copy that, and we're going to put it right here in this little box. Paste it. Okay. I'm going to filter any duplicate users. I don't think there was any, but I'm just going to put that on there just in case. So put this little code, and we're going to determine how many comments there were in the video. So we have 25 comments, 25 entries. So that means based on the rules, I'm going to have 3 winners, and they're all going to get the same prize. Just to keep it fair, everyone gets the same prize. So 25, and we're going to go ahead and start the raffle and pick a winner. So let's see who's the first winner of the Funky Cold Medina DIY giveaway. Here we go. First winner, Super Mario Jaden. You are the first winner of the Funky Cold Medina DIY giveaway. I'm going to announce all the winners first, and then I'll show you the prize at the end. So that's our first winner. Alright, we're going to pick another one. We got 2 more to go. Appreciate the comment. Oh, and also another thing, I didn't reply back to everyone's comment. I really wanted to, but if I commented on everyone's comment, it would have generated me as an entry on every one. So I tried to do the filter. I tried to do the filter comments, exclude users, but it wouldn't let me. I did a little trial run a few days ago on a separate video, but it wouldn't exclude my name from it. So I didn't want to cause a lot of confusion. So that's why I didn't reply. But after this video, I will reply individually to every single one of y'all. I really appreciate all the comments. So let's pick the second winner. Second winner of the giveaway, Ale Gutierrez. Awesome, awesome. Appreciate the comments. Sign me up. Yep, thank you, thank you. You're the second winner. That last winner, let's see who's the number 3. Number 3 is Linda Porter. I appreciate the entry in the comment. Great recipes. I like his personality too. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. So those are the 3 winners. Congratulations. I really appreciate your time and watching the channel, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Alright, we're going to show off the prize. Alright, just a little bit of a face reveal, I guess. And this is the box from the video. And the prize, no teaser this time. 1, 2, 3. $20. $20. For every winner is going to get $20. So with all the winners, I'm going to get in contact with you via social media or email, or if I have your phone number, if I know you, I'll get in contact with you that way. But you can also, if I don't have either one, you can watch the video, see that you won, and I also have my email in the description or on my page on the About tab. You can click on that and you can have my email, and then we can communicate to see how I can get you your prize. So thank you everybody for joining the giveaway. I really appreciate your time. There will be another giveaway, I believe, around maybe 250 mark, the 250 subscriber mark. So right now I'm at 145. So I progressed pretty quick. The numbers kind of show that in order to get 100 subscribers, it takes about 2 to 3 months. And I've only been doing this for 3 weeks. So I'm almost at 150. So I'm thinking that's pretty good. And I appreciate y'all taking the time to subscribe to my channel. All right, everyone. That's it. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy your Sunday. I'll be back with another video real soon. I'm doing on the editing right now on that one. It's another cooking video. But y'all have a great Sunday and enjoy your day off if you're off. All right, everybody. Have a great day.